Hi guys, welcome back to Busties YouTube channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys the different ways that you can wear boob tape. So with that being said, you can literally use the tape for any style of top in the world that you want. So that means that there's lots of different ways to use it, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the tape for specific types of tops. The possibilities are endless, trust me. Before I do the try-on, I just want to show you really quickly what will come in your Busties kit. First, obviously, is the breast tape. This is the key ingredient. Next is silicone nipple covers. This is super important. You are never going to want to use the tape without protecting your nipples with these covers. Don't forget. Next, it also comes with satin nipple covers if you prefer this instead. Shaped as a flower, super cute. There's a bunch of these. Skin sensitivity test. Before you put the tape on for the first time, just quickly test on another part of your body to see if you are allergic. You're probably not, but it's always good to be safe than sorry. And it comes with a little travel Busties bag that I love and I'm such a big fan of. And lastly, it will come with some directions. Read these, super important. Let's get to trying on. If I were to wear a bandeau top or any strapless shirt, this is how I would tape with my Busties. So what I did is I cut 4 squares across and I taped starting from the bottom and pushed up as I taped. I did that for each layer and this is the result. Now let's put the shirt on and I will show you what it looks like. Here's what we look like with a bandeau style top over the breast tape. As you can tell, there is no boob tape peeking through whatsoever. And at the same time, my girls are lifted. Like they are literally almost at my chin. It's amazing. If you were to wear a bra with this, yeah, your girls might have a lift to them, but you're gonna be seeing your bra straps. That's why Busties is so great because you can customize it to each top. Even in the back, it's completely strapless and there's nothing showing. It's also comfortable in this top because sometimes strapless tops do fall down, but with the tape, I feel extremely locked in and comfortable. And it's sweat proof, so if I'm wearing like a strapless dress to a wedding, I can sweat all night long and it's gonna stay on. All right, here's how you're gonna want to tape the girlies if you want to wear a deep V style top. Let me show you what I did. So I took my tape and I stuck my tape just below the boob and I lifted up from the bottom up, taped and pushed up at the same time to get that lifted and perky look. I also used several strips for extra support. So I went from the right and brought it over towards the other boob. I did want to mention that my straps that I taped are pretty thick. I wouldn't typically wear it like this if I were to just be going out in public, but for the sake of me being on camera, I wanted a little bit more coverage. So keep that in mind. I am going to try the top on and show you guys. I'll be right back. Here is what that style of taping looks like with a top on, specifically a deep V style top. This is one of my favorite taping methods. I not only use it for deep V style shirts, but I also use it just for everyday t-shirt looks because it is super comfortable. It just hangs around your neck, so it feels extremely secure, and it also like kind of pushes the girls together for that extra lift, which is what we are always looking for. I did want to mention to you guys, when you are removing your breast tape, it is extremely, if there's anything else you listen to in this video, it's this, important to remove the tape with some type of oil. You can use baby oil. I actually use my tanning oil, or you can literally use olive oil to remove your tape. You're just gonna wanna apply it to the top part of where you would remove the tape and let that soak for about 10 minutes. Then you can pull it off. It will come off very easily if you do this. Pain-free, super important. Let's try one more style of top on and I'll be right back. This is the third and final taping style that I will be sharing with you guys today. Keep in mind there's infinite amounts of ways to tape. Anyways, with that being said, for this style, it is extremely versatile, probably the most versatile out of all the tops because essentially you are just taping the breast. So you can wear strapless tops with this, skinny spaghetti strap tops, open middle tops, deep V, basically anything. The only downside is with this style, it does give a perk to the boob, but definitely the other styles gave a little bit more of a lift because we were able to like pull it over the shoulder or pull it from the sides, but I still think that they look pretty nice with this. Anyways, what I did is I taped from the inside of the boob, and I brought the tape, instead of just pulling it like straight in a line, I kind of did a little diagonal push up so we can achieve that lift. So with this taping style, it's great for, like, let's say your top has a cutout right here. We didn't tape all the way across, so it is perfect because you won't see the tape. That taping method is so beneficial for tops like this because we are open in the breast area. So taping each individual boob allows for no tape to be seen in this middle area. Also, the straps are spaghetti straps. So in other forms of taping, I showed how you can actually tape above the shoulder so it sticks and pulls up. But if we have a spaghetti strap, we don't want to see the big breast tape underneath it. So taping each individual boob allows for nothing to show under such a skinny strap. Like I said, this method is super versatile, works for so many different styles of tops. All right, girlies, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you learned something from this video, have a little bit better of an idea how you can use your Busties kit. At the end of the day, it's very customizable. You can kind of tape however you feel works best for the top. These are just ideas and how I do it. Make sure to go check out Busties. I'm going to leave the link below to purchase your kit. Trust me, girlies, this will change your fashion game. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye.